In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SMS brand in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account settings and communication tools. From there, click on Settings to open the configuration area for your account. Once you're in Settings, go to Messaging. This section controls how your messages are managed inside Ownerrez, including texting features. Inside messaging, click on SMS numbers, then select SMS brand. This is the area where you'll set up the business identity connected to your SMS messaging. Now you can begin filling out the form. First, add the primary contact. This should be the main person associated with the SMS brand registration. Enter the first name and last name, then add the position and title. Be sure to enter these details clearly and accurately, since this information helps identify who is responsible for the brand setup. Next, add the mobile phone number and email address for the primary contact. Make sure both are active and entered correctly, because contact details are often important for verification and future communication related to the SMS brand. After that, move down to the business details section. Enter the business name exactly as you want it associated with the brand. Then choose the business type from the available options. You'll also need to add the website. It's a good idea to make sure your website matches your business identity and is up to date, since consistency across these fields can help avoid delays or confusion during review. Next, add the location information. In the business address section, enter the full business address carefully. This should reflect your legitimate business location and should match your official business information wherever possible. Once all of the required details have been entered, review the form before moving on. Double-check the contact information, business name, website, and address to make sure everything is complete and accurate. Small mistakes here can cause issues later, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm everything. When you're ready, agree to the terms of service by checking the appropriate box. This confirms that you accept the requirements for using the SMS brand setup. Finally, click Save to submit your SMS brand information. And that's it. Your SMS brand has now been created in Ownerrez. If you need to make updates later, you can return to the same SMS brand section and edit the details as needed.